Let us consider question number 33 of NECO SSCE 2024 Mathematics Objective Past question. It reads, the difference between the present age of two brothers is 6, and their product is 135. What is the sum of their ages? So we have two brothers, and the difference between their ages is 6. So if one of the brothers' age is represented with X, since we don't know it, then the second brother's age will be X plus 6, because the difference between their ages is 6. So we say, let the ages of the two brothers be X and X plus 6 respectively. The product of their ages is 135. So X multiplied by X plus 6, which represent their ages, is equal to 135. So we open the parentheses on the left hand side of the equation. X multiplied by X gives X squared. X multiplied by positive 6 gives positive 6x. Then we move 135 from the right hand side to the left hand side of the equation. And this is going to give us negative 135 because it crossed the equality symbol, equal to 0. Now what we have here is a quadratic equation, and there are different ways of solving a quadratic equation, but we are going to employ the factorization method. So we bring out the middle term, which is positive 6, and the product of the leading coefficient and the constant. Leading coefficient is 1, the constant is negative 135. So this is going to give us negative 135 when it's multiplied. Then we look for two terms such that their product will give us negative 135 and their sum will give us 6. And the two terms are positive 15 and negative 9. 15 minus 9 gives 6. And also 15 multiplied by negative 9 gives negative 135. So we open two parentheses as usual. Equal to 0. So x in both. Then we impute the two terms, which are positive 15 and negative 9. Now for this statement to be true, it's either x plus 15 equal to 0 or x minus 9 equal to 0. So x from this side will be equal to negative 15, because when this crosses to this side, it becomes negative 15, or x equal to, when this crosses, it becomes positive 9. Now their ages cannot be a negative number, so we go with x equal to 9. But x equal to 9 is not the solution to this question, because we're asked to find the sum of their ages. And remember that we established that their ages are x and x plus 6 respectively. So what do? Since we know the value of x now, their ages are x and x plus 6. So the sum of x and x plus 6 will be x is 9, so 9 plus 6. 9 plus 9 gives 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. So therefore, the sum of their ages is 24. This is the answer to question number 33. See you in the next one.